Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? 1, 2, 3, testing. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Let me see here on Discord. All right. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah, let's go over our trading plan. Maybe let me see if you guys already have the trading plan there on the platform. Let me see. No, you still have the old trading plan. Just a second. Okay, anyways, they are going to update the trading plan in a few minutes on the platform, all right? But what we have is today on the trading plan, you guys are going to see this link right here, all right? And this link right here is going to show you, it's a tutorial video on how to trade the trading plan, all right? And this link right here is going to bring you to this video, and it's also on the Discord. Okay, all right. So pretty much like what we have here is a neutral bias. All right. Remember that neutral bias because the overnight session was kind of like no big movements, but remember that we have holiday in Japan and nothing's happening over there, so that's why it's kind of like a neutral, the overnight session. All this the Nikkei, the DAX, and the SP, they are all neutral for the pre-market or pre-market. We have some catalysts today, but nothing so important. No one of those catalysts should bring volatility to the market. Okay, and those are the levels you have to be watching today. Okay, and here we have the bullish and the bearish plan. Okay, now let's see on the charts the bullish and the bearish plan. Guys, we are working to bring back those gamma levels here and those gamma bars. And there is something wrong with the CBOI data that we are receiving today. So we are trying to figure out what's happening. So we're going to be able to adjust this thing right here. Okay. This one should be working fine because this market data comes from Polygon. This market data comes from CBOI. And like you can trust these guys right here. The DVF is all right. The DVF is okay. The VIX yields and the volume momentum, it's all right. You can trust those guys, okay? But this one, just like wait a few minutes, we are working to figure it out, okay? Cool. Here on the tape reading, Quantico tape reading, you are going to see some buy and sell signals, okay? This is what's going to be happening here, buy and sell signals on the tape reading, okay? Quantico tape reading. So if you are going to follow the signals, keep your eyes open, and remember that sometimes we have a sell, and then we have another sell, and then we have a close, or we have a buy, then we have another buy, then we have a close. So keep your eyes open in what's happening here if you are going to trade the signals, all right? Okay, if you are not comfortable in following the signals here, you can now buy the bot and have the bot trading for you those signals right here. Okay, cool. Next week, we're gonna also bring another group of signals that we are already testing this week. And I'm gonna get the results on the back test and put the results on the back test so you guys can see the results before you start following the next group of signals, right? Okay, now let's talk about the trade plan itself. We are going to be opening around this area right here, this area right here. Probably we're gonna open on 355, 5,355. Probably we're gonna be opening around this area right here. Okay. So you guys have new stuff here. You guys have the bull trigger and the bear trigger. What is the bull trigger? On the trade plan, we are talking something like if we break 5,365, we're gonna enter long to 5,375, right? If we break here, of course, you take your profits, you wait for a possible bounce, you wait for a break in a retest, and then you enter again towards the next target. If you see that VIX is going down, the yields are blue, the yields are blue, the VDF are blue, and everything's giving you information that we are going up, right? Another trigger that you can use if we are bullish is the volume momentum. So, for example, let's say we're gonna break the bull trigger, right? But you don't wanna check the trade right now, especially today, because today we don't have any catalyst. Today we don't have much movement on the overnight, so we are not sure if we are going to have good volatility and strong movements today or not. We are not sure, right? So especially today, what you can do is you wait to break the bull trigger. So first step is break the bull trigger, right? It's the trigger. So when we break this level, you know that we should be trading long, right? Right. Now, if we break the bull trigger and then you see volume momentum green, that could be a good confirmation for you to start trading towards the 375, all right? Then we're gonna touch here, we're gonna bounce, or we're gonna break, we're gonna retest. Once we retest or we break the design again, wait for the volume momentum and take the trade, all right? Okay, now on the beginning of the day, these lines here, it's not gonna be around 60% to confirm the bull or the bear direction, right? Because it's bringing information from the past day on Friday, right? So what you are going to be watching when with the market open for the first minutes is what the lines are doing. So if you see that the blue line is coming up, it's because we are getting strength on calls. If you see that the blue line is going down and the red line is going up, we are already with the red, but still getting more strength on the red. So it's not science, rocket science, right? It's just keep your eyes open on those lines to see where we are getting more strength. If the blue is going up, blue is getting more strength. That's it. If the blue is going down and red is going up, we are getting more strength on puts. Okay, blue is call, red is puts. Call is people buying, red puts are people selling. Okay, that's the one. DDF, you're gonna be able to see right there on the first 2 or 3 minutes of the market where we're gonna be trading on the blue area or on the red area. Remember that if the red is stronger, it's liquidity calling the price here. If the blue is stronger, it's liquidity calling the price here, right? Remember that. If the level here is stronger, it is liquidity calling the price. We should be touching those areas, okay? Same thing for triple Q, all right? Again, VIX and yields are going to give you a direction. So for example, right now, VIX is going up. It's not like pointing up, it's going up for the past few minutes. For since 8:30, VIX is going up. What does it mean? 8:30 VIX going up, meaning that since 8:30 market's going down, going down. So VIX going up, it's a confirmation that this movement means money coming from here to here. They are hedging their position. If you see the market moving in a direction and VIX moving on the same direction, meaning that someone is lying, right? That's what's mean. Like we don't have a confirmation that this movement is solid, right, guys? Okay, so you need to see the market doing one movement and VIX doing the opposite. So we have confirmation. Now, if you have VIX going up and yields going up, it's an extra confirmation. VIX is the confirmation of SPX and Nasdaq. Yields are the confirmation of the whole market, right? So if you have VIX going up and yields going up, it's a confirmation. Right now, it's a confirmation that we have a bearish moment, I would say. Not a bearish bias for the day, but a bearish moment. Now you see that this guy is consolidating for the past few minutes, like it's, but don't worry, forget it, because it stopped working at 9:15, I guess. It stopped working at 9:15, it's gonna come back at 9:30, right? But anyways, VIX going up, market down. Yields going up, confirming that market down. Okay, the most important is VIX. This is just extra confirmation. All right. Okay, now keep your eyes open on the triggers, bull trigger and bear trigger. Right. So you have to break the bull trigger, volume and momentum getting blue, DDF blue, getting strength on the calls, and then we're gonna buy towards 75. If we break the 350 trading on the red DDF, puts getting strength here, VIX going up and yields going up or just confirming, and then volume and momentum red, we're gonna sell towards 5,340, and then next target 5,325. All right. Keep your eyes open on those triggers today, because since we don't have any catalyst today, since we're gonna have news tomorrow, maybe the market should be consolidating. We have on the trading plan where the market should be consolidating, so protect your trades, all right? Now, if you take this trade right here and this thing doesn't work, you just stop, all right, guys? But where you are going to stop, sorry, the trigger here, bull trigger, where you are going to stop, remember that probably should be here, 350 is a resistance, all right? Just a second, guys. We have, I guess in a few minutes, the analyst is going to put on the target that 5,350 is a resistance, because we are above this line, right? If we break, it's going to become a, sorry, it is a support. If we break, it's going to become a resistance, okay? So if trade small, trade really small. If you are trading the trading plan, trade small, because if we break this level, you have a blue DDF, you have green momentum here, VIX is going down, and you have all the confirmations that we're gonna go up, you're gonna take the trade here, all right? Right. But if this doesn't work, where are you going to stop? First scenario, you can stop with 5 points and wait for another opportunity. Second scenario, you can wait to break the major resistance on 50, 350. That would be here, the first bear trigger, all right? Okay? All right, guys, so we're gonna be around 55. We're gonna start here, 55. Same thing, if we're gonna go down, we break this level, we're gonna go towards this level right here, but wait for confirmation on the volume momentum, VIX, and the DDF. Okay, guys, so this is it. I guess the trading plan should be here already. Let me see, not yet. Let me reload to see if it is already there. Not yet. In a few minutes, you guys are gonna have the trading plan there, all right? I just spoke with the programmers. He's going to fix this. And that's it. So with the video, it's enough for you guys to know what to do, but the trading plan is going to be there. So during the day, you're going to be able to see other times. And 2 minutes to open the market. Let's see what the market is going to go. Keep your eyes now, or starting today, for the triggers, bull trigger and bear trigger. We're going to open around this area right here, right? Now, if we have the VOAP close to a trigger, wait to confirm the break on the VOAP. If, for example, let's say that the market is going to go down and the VOAP is right here, right? For example, so what you're going to do is you are going to check the trade towards downside, but let's say the market goes back and you have the VOAP right here. You don't stop if it doesn't break the VOAP, right? Because you know that the VOAP is a bounce level. So you check the trade here. The trade goes against you. The VOAP is right here. You don't stop until we break the VOAP. When we break the VOAP, then you can stop, right? And try again later. If touch the view app and goes back, you still have a chance to save the trade or keep going on the trade. Okay, guys, all right? That's it. See you guys later. Trading plan will be here in 1 minute, and have an amazing day. You guys have any other questions, let me know. Let me see here. When we receive 2 buy signals, do we close out both for the first close signal? Or no, when you receive 2 buy signals and you see close, you have to close the whole thing. All right? I see trade premium bots. If you trade premium bot, level values are on SPX and you trade NQ. All right. So I don't know if this is a so to be clear with the trade. Okay. The trading plan, we have the levels on SPX. That's where we have the levels. You see markets opening right there. Where I told you guys that should be open, right? You can trade ES or NQ, doesn't matter, right? As long as you follow the trade plan, okay? Because the market's gonna be moving the same way. Most of the times the market's gonna be moving the same way. So the trade plan was made for you guys to trade ES, all right? But if you wanna use the same levels to trade NQ, you can do that. But there is no way for us to put those levels here because the math is not the same, never gonna match. All you have to do is a visual. You see that if we break this level, you're gonna take the trade, just take the trade here, it's gonna give the same effect. All right, guys, all right? Market's gonna move the same direction, but you can use the levels here to trade NQ. I prefer to use the levels to trade ES because it's more exact, right? But it's up to you what you are going to do, all right? All right, guys, so you guys having a great day. We're going to be on Discord talking to you guys the whole day. Happy trading. See you guys later. Bye-bye.